you are looking to invest in real estate, you might want to consider Dubai as a destination over India. Hi everyone, this is Devanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice. The reasons why investing in Dubai's real estate market could be a smarter choice for you. Let's quickly get into it. Tax-friendly environment. One of the major reasons of investing in Dubai is its tax-friendly environment. Unlike India, जहां आपको कई सारे taxes pay करने पड़ते हैं on your property transaction, on your rental income, Dubai offers a tax-free environment for its real estate investors. This means you get to keep more of your profits, making your investment lucrative in the long run. Consistent real estate yields. दुबई की रियल एस्टेट मार्केट अपनी हाई रेंटल यील्ड के लिए जानी जाती है, which varies from 6 to 8%, जो कि इंडिया की रेंटल यील्ड से काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई है. In the major cities of India, the rental yield varies from 2 to 4%. Higher rental yield translate to better returns on your investment. Most rental contracts in the UAE is annual. That means you get accumulated rental income which can be reinvested and further compounding your returns over time. Stable economy and diverse industries. Dubai has a stable and diversified economy supported by thriving industries such as tourism, finance and trade. ये इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी और ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल रियल एस्टेट को एक सेफर और स्टेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन बनाता है व्हेन कंपेयर टू इंडियन रियल एस्टेट, जहां इकोनॉमिक फ्लक्चुएशन का काफ़ी ज़्यादा असर होता है प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू पर. वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड एमिनिटीज. Dubai is renowned for its world-class infrastructure, including state-of-the-art transportation systems, modern residential communities, and top-notch amenities. These features not only enhance the quality of life, but also contribute to the appreciation of property value over time. Investment-friendly policy. Dubai has implemented investors-friendly policies and regulations, making it easier for foreign investors to acquire properties and conduct business in the city. This includes initiatives such as freehold ownership, long-term residency visas, and efficient investment process, which provide the investor with an added confidence and security. So in conclusion, while India's real estate market certainly has its strength, the advantages offered by Dubai's tax-friendly environment, consistent rental yields, stable economy, world-class infrastructure and attractive financing options make it a smarter investment choice for many investors. However, किसी भी इन्वेस्टमेंट से पहले थॉरली रिसर्च करना, एक प्रोफेशनल से एडवाइस लेना और अपने पर्सनल सर्कमस्टांसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. So you must do that before taking any step towards Dubai's real estate market. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such real estate insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.